Hello, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we're gonna have another unboxing from Amazon. I bought 4, but I'm gonna do 2. One is a landscape and the other one is flower. But the flower is a set of 4-pack. Let's do that first. If we still have time, we do the other one. If not, we leave it for later, okay? So, how everybody is doing? It's 4, 2, and 4. I'm not gonna look at all of them drills. We're gonna look at one and the one at the last one. These are 30 by 30, so these are snack size. These are good for between the big suckers. I'm gonna stretch it, so I'm not gonna put it back. So this one comes with the boat and some baggies. I'll take the baggies later. So, and these are some nice flower. This is X096. This one has 18 colors. This is a set of 4 blue flowers. It should be beautiful. Yeah, well, I usually tend to wrinkle more than they were. I'm just trying to stretch them out a little bit because they're gonna be stretched anyway. I'm not gonna fold them. That's what I throw away. And besides, it has the number. And the package has the number on it. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Take a look at this. And here are the drills, but I'm not gonna show you this because all of them has the same color practically, okay? So we're gonna set that one aside. These are kind of a tulip. That's what they look to me. If you know the type of flower, you are welcome to say it. But this one has 18 colors, and most of them are blue. They have it in other colors, though. I think they have it in purple. Let's put that one aside. Let's take a look at the other one. I like the fact that even though they are numbered, they come in a set, the number individually, so I can put the drills separately. This one seems to me like it's having problems to get out. Let's do this. Okay, I'm making sure that I don't pull the cover sheet of the... Again, this one comes with the standard toolkit with 2 pens, single place for the wax and baggies. Here are the drills of this one. This one also has 18 colors. I like to stretch them out a little bit. They are 30 by 30, all of them. That's beautiful, but there's gonna be a lot of whites. A lot of whites. This is the second one, okay? Like I said, I'm just gonna do only one because they all, if you look at this, they basically have the same colors. Okay? And they are letters. All of them are letters. So, you know. let's do this one. Why they are coming so hard to come out? Seems like they don't want to come out of there. Oh, this one is beautiful. This one is the one that has more flowers on it. 18 colors also. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the drills of this one. And they have the key code. They are letters only. They have the key code on both sides. Again, the standard toolkit with some baggies and 2 pens. And this time we're gonna take a look at the drills, because this one is the one that has the most flowers. So it has the colors of everybody. It's 18 colors. There's gonna be a lot of whites. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull you down more, a little bit more. And we're gonna take a look at these. Here it is. They're beautiful, sparkly, shiny beads. I'm gonna put the link below, and I'm gonna put the price on it. Oh, take a look at this blue. Beautiful blue. And shiny drills. That's what I like. This is shiny drills. Shiny, shiny drills. Look at all those blue. Those sparkly rounds. And the whites that we have 3 packs. So on this one, let me get the I'm gonna put it in here. We saw the drills, they're sparkly, so we're going to okay, so here it is with the beautiful blues. And then let's take a look at the last one. I'm not gonna have to come up either way anyway. Again, the standard toolkit with the baggies and the drills. Also has 18 colors. And again, it has the number, so I can put the drills separately from the canvas. I don't know, I'm having a lot of brain farts. So here it is, the other one. They're beautiful. I like them. They're nice to decorate. And you can decorate it in different parts of the house or even in the bathroom. Are beautiful. All of them with 18 color. A lot of white, but what you can do about that. Let me put these separately. Let me put the drills back in here. And let's do the landscape. Yeah, we still have time. We still have time. This one has the standard toolkit with some baggies too. This is a 30 by 40. And it's a nice river fall, although it looks more like it's gonna be a little pixelated. This one has what, 22 colors. This one has 22 colors. And all of them are letters and a couple of numbers. That's it. This is, well, it looks okay from far away. Take a look at this. This is a thumbnail on how it's supposed to be. This kind of stuff, honestly, I like it in bigger because it gives you more detail. But this is okay. And here are the drills. We're gonna take a look at the drills real quick. Like I said, it only has 22 colors. This one. Let me put it this way so it won't affect the... Whoops, there's one that came off. Where is color number 1? Oh my. They're not in order. The colors are not in order. Okay? That's something I have to check. Okay, so let's get a little bit closer over here. Here it is. The sparkly. The sparkly drills. It's gonna be mostly muted color because this is a terrain with a lake. Okay, you're gonna have some blue sky. These are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at that beautiful blue. Look at that sparkly brown. Okay, so let's take a look at this again from far away. It looks nice. It looks like it's gonna look nice. Let's see what happened. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Remember to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I, and have a wonderful Mother's Day. And happy Mother's Day to all of those beautiful mothers. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.